We were sent this mini cordless chainsaw by Reindeer Tools, and this thing is a powerhouse. It comes with everything you need: a manual, an extra chain, the chainsaw itself, gloves, a charger, and not one but two batteries. This is the 8-inch chainsaw. You will want to get some bar oil so that you can properly lubricate the chainsaw. So here we show doing that. And it has this red and black knob. The red section of the knob is to tighten the chain. The black is to tighten the bar. And it does come with a safety feature. So once you pop that battery in, if you are not depressing that red button at the same time as pulling the trigger, it will not go. So that's always nice to have that feature involved. So here, let us show you how this thing works, and it just goes through these branches like butter. We are super impressed. It's a perfect size to be able to get your hand into tight spaces too, and just really seamlessly go through these branches. So much power in such a tiny chainsaw. We highly recommend it, and thank you, Reindeer Tools, for letting us try it out.